Have you heard the word cryptocurrency? Most of you will probably think of Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency today and also the most expensive. But did you know that there is a cryptocurrency that many people are unaware of? One of which is as good as Bitcoin, but maybe not as popular. It's called Ethereum. It's the second most popular cryptocurrency today, and you'll learn how to use it in this step-by-step tutorial. I'll show you how to get paid in Ethereum or any other cryptocurrency you want, no matter where you are or what device you have. Because this works for users with computers and smartphones, which means you can get paid even if you're at home and if you're not, making this one of the best ways to earn online. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be always updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. And that being said, let's get right into this tutorial. As you've heard all today, I'll show you how to earn in cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind that I'll be focusing on Ethereum in particular, but you can literally earn in any cryptocurrency you want, as I'll demonstrate later in the video. Anyway, the main platform we will be using today to make money online is called Ladium.org. Many of you probably haven't heard of this webpage, so let me explain first what this webpage is all about. It's a freelance work site. On here, you can generally come and work if you want to earn money, or you can hire someone else to do the work for you if you are lazy or simply do not have the skills to do it yourself. The main difference between Ladium and the vast majority of other freelancing sites, such as Fiverr, People Per Hour, Guru, and so on, is that Ladium will pay you for your work in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and much more, all of which I will demonstrate to you later on. You'll be able to see here some of the more popular services that are sought after on this site are proofreading, translation, and logo design. By clicking on this arrow, you will be able to see more popular services. You've got Photoshop editing and transcription, which in my opinion is one of the best services to offer because it isn't that difficult. I won't go over them all because I don't want to make this video any longer. Now we'll be focusing on one particular service on this webpage, and we will want to offer it. So yes, you would want to work on this webpage. We will not be investing a single dollar into this platform because it is completely free. Instead, I will demonstrate a service that literally every single one of you watching this can do. A service that requires no skills, no experience, and that can also get you paid fairly well for your efforts. Since you want to earn on this platform, return to the homepage here and then click on I want to work. They will now ask you to enter your email address so you can sign up. Optionally, you can just sign up via Google, Facebook, or Apple. This is how I signed up myself, and I recommend doing so. But if you still insist on signing up via email, then type in your email address here and then hit continue. After that, you will also need to enter information about yourself, such as your full name, country, and other personal information needed. Only then will you be able to log into your new account. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. When you logged in, everything will look like this. It says here, get verified and start working today. But before you all freak out trying to think that you may need to spend money on this site, that is not the case. No, you don't need to be verified in order to begin earning on this site. It's important to keep in mind that if you do get verified, chances are you'll be able to earn money. You can see here how much more you'll earn. On average, people who are verified earn nearly twice as much money per project they do, and they get hired 3 times as often as people that are not verified. Being verified makes a lot of difference in the value of money you can make. I can recommend you to work on this website first, then make some money, and invest to get verified and make more money in the long run. Getting verified now isn't a good idea because you likely won't have enough money available. So I recommend you to do it later on when you are willing to give away a small fraction of your profits, instead of spending your money on this platform right away. And with that, once we get to the project they posted, I would like you to have a quick glance on how you'll be paid. You can see it for yourself by clicking this wallet here. Look here, you can get paid not only in any of these cryptocurrencies, but you can also get paid in cash. So if most of you don't like crypto, you can basically get paid in cash from this website, not just crypto per se. To that end, the sheer number of cryptocurrencies available is astounding, to say the very least. You have BAT, which stands for Basic Attention Token, then of course Bitcoin, Bitcoin Gold, Dent, Dragon Chain, and most important for us today, Ethereum, which is the subject of this video. Now I won't go into detail about all of the cryptocurrencies available here, you can do that yourself. I just wanted to demonstrate to you that you can earn in cash as well as Ethereum through this website. So let's get to what service you can work on. That service is usability testing. If you click on Find Projects and select Usability Testing, you can see people who are willing to pay you literally $15 or more for just testing out different apps. You don't even need skills for this. You don't need to be a programmer or anything. They only need regular people, including me and you, to test out their apps for them. The reason being that the apps may have some glitches and they need reviewers to test them out and see if the apps are working as designed. They are willing to pay you for testing them out. It's as simple as that. In fact, you will be paid for simply using apps. It does not get any simpler than that, and it demonstrates why you'll want to offer this type of service on Ladium, but also seek it. You can be on your phone or computer at home or traveling somewhere. Rather, you don't have anything else to do, you can just open up your device, test out some apps, and earn. If you don't even have any experience or skills on freelance work sites, this is one of the best services you'll want to offer. It's just all around easy. Furthermore, the fact that you can do this on your phone, meaning that you don't need a computer in the first place, and it appears to mean that you can work while you're away from home, which is yet another brilliant thing about being a tester on a freelance work site like Ladium. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for this site and start earning money online. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!